Hello and welcome back to another episode of Google APIs for Rust and YouTube Uploader Development Stream. This time we start with oauth and a tiny issue that I'd like to fix before. As you know, I'd like to have all the bugs and known issues done before I do any kind of feature, just to have a clear head, right? So, quite funny because last time I've seen this kind of issue, I was doing it with Clap and I was just fixing it right away. But I'm quite happy actually that Killer Cup didn't fix that issue for me thanks to APR or something, because that way I can switch to Travis Cargo. Travis Cargo is, let's see if Google is as good as I think it could be. Travis Cargo is this new thing that is actually a very simple and tiny Python script that does nothing more than do the typical stuff for you that you want to do in Travis when you're doing a Rust project. And yeah, I was trying to talk and read at the same time, which didn't really work. So my voice cords turned themselves off, which probably is a protection mechanism for people who could hear what I would talk otherwise. So yeah, so this is now pip install, huh? And the install stuff changed. And now it's called traviscargo.py, and then what does it do? Yeah, so it's not directly executable anymore, which is weird because he can do it to be executable, I thought. We'll use the risk of breaking builds. Now I get it. Part of migrating PyPy requires renaming to Travis_cargo, haha, which sucks. Come on. This kind of dash underscore stuff, it generally sucks. And to be forced into that, it's just annoying. But anyway, it's Python and nobody's going to make that any better than it is. So yeah, I believe I've seen a complete but outdated Travis Cargo usage somewhere. Okay, so that's what I was looking for. Can you give me the raw view, please? The raw view, oh man. That's just a view. Awesome. So I think that's what I want to blatantly copy, except for the secure stuff, which I have on my own. Only better doc upload. Well, I will probably not have that. I'll just upload the docs whenever. And why smaller than 0.2? I don't get that. I don't know. Sudo required. Is that true now that sudo is required? He might have his reasons. I will just copy this and have a look at oauth2. Travis. Okay, that's the current code you need to get just the docs. As you can see, lots of stuff happening here. And this is also the cause of the issue because I didn't adjust this sufficiently. So the new index that I make here, it contains the wrong target, which is now all underscores, basically. Good. Let's copy this. Language Rust. Yeah. During the weekend, I was kind of in distress because some virus caught me. And one day I was totally out. I'm still trying to catch up and see how it goes, which is quite annoying because I am on a deadline here, which ends on 15th of May. I would really like to get something done until then, but also not want to die in the process. So yeah, let's see. Okay, this beta only, I'm not gonna do. Coveralls, why not? I think to get coveralls, which is interesting by the way, you will need to enable this. first. Let's see. And I'm sure he's described that somewhere, but obviously I'm not gonna read this. Yeah, that's security, huh? In the moment you have a login to my computer, you can basically sneak in everywhere because it's kind of automatically done. Add repos. I think does it search for me? Yup, oauth. In a way that works? No. Why would that be? Do I have to resync or something? Why doesn't it find that? It doesn't have it. Excuse me, syncing. Well, you know, if they were good, they could say, well, we didn't find anything. Instead of not showing you nothing, they show you a button that says, oh, do you possibly have to? We didn't find anything. That would be the first thing to say. Do you want to resync your repos to maybe find the new ones? And this is what they give you once or something in 5 minutes. You know, that would be good. That would be kind of obvious because that's the workflow that happens. People search something, people don't find something because new repos have been added. But anyway, what am I saying? Takes a long time to sync that stuff, and I'm not very patient. For obvious reasons. I mean, I can wait 5 seconds or something, and this is still long, you know? But this takes like, I mean, should I wait half a minute for it to get like 5 chunks of data? Jesus, I realized that I'm kind of aggressive today. Just because I can't take the typical shit that computers throw at you, especially when networks are involved. So let's try that one more time. It's interesting. I'm adding repos. It drops you out of... What the heck? I just synced. Or does it still sync or what? Oh, man. I think it's not going to happen today. Yeah, forget that. It doesn't matter. So I think I don't want to run benches either. But this is possibly what I need. Even though I wonder. Pip install user. Because of the user installation. He needs to add the .local bin path. I see. Yeah, should I test on beta? Why not? Why not? It's okay. Good. It's also an interesting way to do this. I usually have just individual commands each time, but he says I give you a single string and break it at will, which is pretty nice. Because you don't necessarily have to do this, because it will abort anyway if one command in the line of commands you provide fails. But that is that. That should be fine. He managed to get back at me. That's awesome. And there we go. That was easy, wasn't it? Super easy. Okay, so far nothing happened here. And I wonder if it can automatically detect what kind of format this is going to be. I have no idea. Maybe he describes this in his former post and I should read it. Or at least, so where see linked post. So coveralls. Covering your coverage needs. I think that might have been the one. And that's it? Really? That's very nice. Because probably he deals with that, huh? He does whatever has to be done to get the coverall stuff working. That's very nice. Cool. And you don't even have to install it. I don't know if it's there by default or if he installs it on demand. But anyway, what's the sudo? kconf. combines with coveralls to make supporting this ridiculously easy. Yeah. I see, so that's it. Yeah, it's truly ridiculously easy, I agree. I like that very much. Because that will also give me new badges. Cool, so let's see how that works. The bad thing is that it will take a while to actually be executed. I think it's more like a feature, huh? Feature Travis cargo. Feature testing maybe. Use Travis cargo. That way. Add support for coveralls and doc generation as well. Yeah. Should I close this right away? I think I should wait for it, because I don't know until it ran on Travis, and so far I don't know anything. Good, thank you. Let's push this right away. Now I'm actually interested in the Travis build, which usually fails, but this time we will try it on multiple different Travis Rust configurations. So here the build is failing, but let's see. So build history, there should be one scheduled request here, and it just received. According to this, it's already booting, which is pretty neat, because that would mean it will come up in a moment and, you know, start doing what it does, which would be totally awesome. Which would basically automatically fix my docs. Oh, it wouldn't. Shit. I'm silly. I still don't know what the new doc index will be. Yeah. So I guess in order to fix this right now, I would probably just fix it, because this never works here. I always have failures due to, I don't know, hyper or cert maybe. Maybe cert doesn't work in alpha and nightlies right now. This could also mean, maybe this is because he said beta only. Yeah, that could be something. Which doesn't help me, because the after success thing will only work in beta. But anyway. I'm thinking about it. Beta only. Maybe later there will be a stable only. That's what he mentioned as well. So for now, yeah. Alright, this failed right away. That's the nightly. There's another chance here. I have no clue. Travis cargo doc, really? Nice. Okay, well, it starts actually. Adjust commences building everything. And there you go. Quasi, thanks to you, nothing works. Awesome. Yeah, it's in a bad state, you know? Things should work with better, I think, but they don't here. Anyway. Maybe it works with nightly, but also that didn't work, huh? Yeah, so I don't work. So this means if I want to fix this, yeah, I will just take it as it is and say it probably works. Couldn't verify. This works thanks to a still not working at all. Quasi. But chances are all this will improve with the latest, with 1.0 alpha. Yeah, it's a bit sad because lots of stuff depends on cert right now. So it's an important project, and there are certainly enough pull requests coming in, but for some reason it really takes a while to get this in, if at all. I've made PRs like 3 times now to fix for the nightly, and it takes days until there is a reply that is usually saying, oh, I didn't see it, sorry, I did it myself now. Well, awesome, you know. But anyway, So I guess we have to get back to this one and fix it manually, which should work such as I can go in here, just check out the pages, which will completely oh no, it's good that it didn't want to do it because I was in the wrong directory here. Oh, typing is kind of slow or difficult to me right now. Fields. Yeah, I'm not yet back here. I'm not in 100% performance. Git reset, hard, origin, gh, pages. There we go. Okay, that should be the latest that I'm on now. That's very nice. Everything is gone and index is here. That should refer to this one, I suppose. There's another one. That is at yup_oauth, huh? Yeah, that's the one. Good, so that should basically be fixing everything. So what is it? Replace dash with underscore closes 7. That is that. It should work now. Work in future provided Travis will ever manage to build the project and run Travis cargo docs on it. So is it fixed? Oops, that was the wrong one. It is fixed. Awesome. Should keep working. Working in foreseeable future. Is it that? Yeah. Travis will ever manage to build this project and run Travis cargo on it. Cool, cool. That is that. Good. So I guess I say thanks for watching and have a good day.